There are so many ways to make money online, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $50 per hour PayPal money. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make that kind of money in an hour without the need of a degree or a certificate. But before digging in, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and share and like the video. This is my channel, guys. I put videos about how to make money, skip that 9 to 5 job, do whatever you want whenever you want. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and take a look at those videos. Do you know that you can make money just by testing websites in application? Yes, it is true. And websites like Validately claim that they pay people just to do that. By the time you're done watching this video, you know the good, the bad, and the ugly about Validately. So let's get cracking, shall we? So what you have to do is to visit this website by the time you're watching this video, which is www.validately.com or just validately.com, or you can just type in Validately on Google and it will show you the website. Okay, so once you go to validately.com, what you should know is this is a market research company that pays people to test the functionality of websites, project prototypes, and also application. So website owners and developers always want to know how happy users are with the functionality and overall experience of their products. To do this, they contact user testing website like Validately to select people like you and I to share their experience on different aspects of their websites and apps and so on. So the owners will then use the information from Validately to improve consumer experience, and Validately will then pay the tester for their feedback. Okay, so the joining is free for this website, guys. You don't have to pay anything to join this website. It's completely free and completely legit website that will pay you between $5 to $10 for every 5-minute session. So this is a very good way to start making money online without the need of having any skill. All you need to get started is a working email and password. You can also join using your Facebook account, but I'm going to show you how you can do this right now. Click here on get paid to test. Okay, they will redirect you to not this web page. No, not this web page. Let me show you. Once you click to here and get paid to test, they will redirect you to another web page. They'll ask you basic profile and demographic questions including age, location, education, the type of computer and mobile phone you own, the household income, and the martial arts. So click here on start making money. So what you have to do is to click on create account and fill in those informations, okay? The iPhone, what type of phone you have, and all those informations. And after that you click on next, and after that they will redirect you to this web page. Once you click on the next, yes I agree, and click on sign up, they will send you an email. Once you do that, you will have to pass a screener test where they basically judge the quality of the equipment you are using. They'll then ask you a few more follow-up questions. So finally, they'll tell you by email whether you pass the test or not. I'm not sure how long they take to confirm whether you pass. If you do pass, however, they'll be sending jobs to your email. Then some of them have screener tests, mean filter out people who don't meet a certain criteria, but some of them don't. So this thing is all about equipment, guys. It's all about equipment. You need a desktop, a laptop. I'm going to show you here what you need in the website. You need a laptop, okay, or a PC, and also you need a microphone or a webcam, okay, a microphone and a webcam too. And also you need to have a Windows 10 operating system if you're using a Windows. You also need an iPhone, Android phone that's not more than 3 years old. A webcam and a microphone, it is very important. But if you don't have a webcam and a microphone, you can just use your mobile phone camera. There are applications on Play Store on how to use your mobile phone camera as a webcam, and also your microphone. The microphone is in your mobile phone as an external microphone for your PC. That is possible. And other requirements is being at least 18 years old, ability to communicate in English, high-speed internet, a PayPal account, and I'm sure by the time you're watching this video, you already have some basic skills in English. And if you do, then great, you can sign up to this website and start making some money. And also PayPal account, you need PayPal account to get paid, and the only way to get paid with this website is PayPal. So how much you can expect to make is $5 to $10 for 5-minute talk about live session, while a webcam based 30-minute live research session in the company of a moderator pays a minimum $25. At the time of this review, Validately pays their testers via PayPal after every 7 days of completing a test, so they don't have a minimum threshold to meet. If you have only $5, you can ask for withdrawal. So what I like about Validately is decent pay. The least you can make for a 5-minute test is $5. Going by the industry average, this amount is in the higher range. The second thing is no minimum payment threshold. So there is no minimum amount that you have to set before getting paid. If you have only $5, then you can get paid. If you have only $10, then you can ask for withdrawal. And within a week or so for completing a test, you will get paid via PayPal. Everything sounds very good so far, but every company out there has bad points. Don't not quit your job just yet, because you won't get rich doing this, guys. You will just make some side income to support yourself, but you cannot live on with this, okay? And if you want to know how you can make some full-time income and to quit your 9-to-5 job, do whatever you want, whenever you want, and support your family and live the life that you wanted, I'm just going to put the link in the description box, okay? Go there and see my first recommendation right now. Take care.